Hi guys, it's me, Junior, and today I'm going to launch Nathaniel with a firework. Ha 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 ha.
Come on, Junior. Come meet us outside.
Okay, I'm coming, Dad.
Okay, Junior, Nathaniel and Robot. Me and Mom are going to the store. Junior, can you watch Nathaniel and Robot for me, please?
Okay, I will watch Nathaniel and Robot.
Good. We'll be right back.
Hey Nathaniel, do you want me to show you something really cool?
Okay, what do you want to show me?
Follow me. Do you see that firework, Nathaniel?
Yeah, I see it.
Can you sit next to me?
Okay. Junior, what are you doing?
Have a nice ride, Nathaniel.
Wait, what?
Cool.
Oh no, now I'm flying.
Ha 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 ha. That was so cool and funny. Ha 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 ha.
Junior.
Oh no, it's my parents.
Junior, did you just launch your own best friend Nathaniel with a firework?
Yes, I did.
Junior, how dare you launch Nathaniel with a firework? That's it. You are grounded for a million years. You will never watch the fireworks with us ever again. Go inside of the house and go to your room now. Alright everyone, let's go watch the fireworks together without Junior.